Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Miss Thanachaya Thongpleo, or you can call me Miss Brielle. Today I'm gonna teach you the subject that I believe you will like it. This subject was my favorite one when I was younger. Back then in primary and high school, I really loved this subject. Yes, this subject is science. And the topic we are going to study today is about something that's really important to our life, but I won't tell you that easy. We're gonna play the game first. The game is guessing game. I will give you the hint about this thing and then you will guess and answer the question. Okay? The guessing game. What is it? It is everywhere. We can't see it. We can't touch or grab it, but we can feel it when it's hot or cold, or when it moves fast also. It can turn into wind. It is very important to our life. We can't live without it. We can't live without it. This is important clue. The last clue is if we don't have it, we die. Okay. Who knows the answer? Who knows the answer? Give me your hand and then answer it. Right. Okay, good job. It is air. Yes, it is the air. Air is something that's really important to our life. Today we're gonna start to learn about air. What is the air? Air is something that's surrounding us. Air is everywhere. We breathe in and breathe out some gases in the air. Air is the mixture of several gases that is very necessity for our life, such as oxygen, nitrogen, and something else. Air is the natural resource of the environment. We need air for our bodies, and also animals and all living creatures also need air. We also need air for many purposes in our daily life as well. As you know, air is not only important to our human being, it is also important to animals, trees, and other creatures, other living things in this planet as well. Why air is important to our human being? Firstly, we're gonna start with the air components. So when you see the air components, right, you will know why is it that important to our life. So the first thing is nitrogen. 78% of nitrogen, 21% of oxygen, 1% of carbon dioxide, water vapors, dust particles, and other gases. Oxygen is the most important gas that human and living things really need it. Here why. Oh, but firstly, you have to know about the air property as well. What the property of the air? Firstly, it's invisible, it's transparent. No smell, no color, no taste. We can feel when it moves, hot or cold. Air has weight. Air exerts pressure. Air occupies space. Air can be compressed as well. Air doesn't have its own shape, but the shape depends on the container it is in. So why air is so important to our human? Here, I will show you. Human breathe in and breathe out some gases in the air, right? Here why air is important to our human beings. Firstly, oxygen helps organisms grow, so then our body grows as well, right? And it also helps turn food into energy. Oxygen gives our cells the ability to break down food in order to get the energy we need to survive. So now you have learned about the air, and you know how important the air is to our human and also living creatures, right? Now I'm gonna teach you about pure or clean air and dirty air. Have you heard about the air pollution? Air pollution is the dirty air. Dirty air comes from the bad environment, and dirty air also harmful to our body, and clean air comes from good environment. And clean air help your body feel refreshing. It is good for your body, and it also make you happy, right? But dirty air make you unhappy. It's also harmful to your body, can make you sick. Now you know how important the air is. How can we help our world to always have clean air and less air pollution? This is the question that we need to ask ourselves in nowadays, because in daily life we produce a lot of air pollution, such as by the car, by the factories, and a lot of human activities. We all have the responsibilities to take care of our air and our world as well. So this is the assignment that I will give you today. You have to grouping in three, and then you have to brainstorm and answer all these questions. What and how can you help our world to always have clean air and reduce air pollution? Okay, we'll see you next week. Have a nice weekend and see you next Monday. Bye bye, class.
Hi.
Thank you so much for today.